Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I will be doing a small haul and I'm so excited to show you what I got. Please forgive the black eyes. I was testing a palette for Palettes on Probation. That video should already be up. I don't love this look. I think it looks like I have black eyes, and I totally understand if you agree. Totally understand. Just wanted to point out, I know what I look like, so yeah. But Ulta was having a spring haul sale, I think it was. So I picked up a few things that I had been having like on my wish list that happened to be on sale. And then I also picked up something from Sigma Beauty because they sent me like a concierge coupon. They do that sometimes with like loyal customers, I guess. They send out like specialty coupons that are one-time use for a larger discount than their normal sales and their normal affiliate coupons. So from Sigma, I got the Core de Rosa palette, and it is a stunning pinky peachy spring palette. I'm so excited for it, and it does come with a double-ended brush. I also did buy a second one as a gift because this called someone's name, and I'm not saying who just in case they watch this video. I don't want them to know. But I have used this palette once already, and it's gorgeous. Like, the formula on this is top notch. I am in love already. And then from Ulta, I got the ColourPop Flexitarian Super Shock Cheek. I'm wearing it right now. It's a very glittery highlighter. I would say not quite as glittery as the Fenty Diamond Bomb or How Many Carats or whatever, like not quite that level of glittery, but it's definitely got a lot of glitter when you blend it out, and it's a lot more icy than the one I'm used to wearing from ColourPop, which is Kathleen Light's one. What's that one? Hold on. On the Cusp, it's a lot more icy than On the Cusp, which is a lot more like nude toned, so it's nice to have some variety in these shades because I do love the ColourPop Super Shock highlighter formula a lot. And then from Juvia's Place, I got the Violets, which is the, oh shoot, I got the Violets, which is their purple mini palette, and it looks like I will have to re-glue this one here because it just fell out. That's fabulous. But it's a very beautiful purple 6-pan palette, and I'm happy to have this, especially since I'm decluttering a purpley palette from my collection, and purple is one of my favorite colors. And then I also picked up on sale the Trenny in Tokyo and Smitten in Switzerland palettes from BH Cosmetics. The Trenny in Tokyo palette is like a rainbow palette, and I actually don't have that many rainbow palettes, especially ones with a mix of mattes and shimmers. I think 2 of my rainbow palettes are all matte, and then one of them is a mixture, but it's mostly shimmer, and this is a good like balance of having both mattes and shimmers, I think, so I'm really excited to play with it. And then the Smitten in Switzerland is a really fun like neutral with a lot of greens in it palette that, I don't know, I love green eyeshadow. Something about it just makes me so happy. So I really wanted both of these palettes. I don't think I'm going to collect the whole travel series. Like, I think I'm okay to pass on the ones I don't have. But these 2 I have been wanting. I've just been waiting for them to go on sale because I knew there was going to be a sale where these would drop. That's just BH Cosmetics just goes on sale at Ulta like semi-regularly. It's a thing. So that is my entire mini haul, just these 4 eyeshadow palettes and this highlighter. If you would like to see any videos with any of these palettes, like reviewing them, doing looks with them, please let me know in the comments down below and I will try and make that happen for you. What have you guys been buying recently? Let me know in the comments down below. What have you guys been buying? I want to know. I'm nosy. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.